Hello everyone, this is lecture 343. In this lecture in pipe flow, we'll try to understand the head loss. What is the head loss? Head loss is HF is that is P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g. This P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g is the head loss, which is equals to 4FL P square upon 2GD. If D is the dia of pipe, L is the length of the pipe, and the velocity of the flow is V, and F is the frictional resistance, then this HF is given by 4FLV square upon 2GD. So this is important, that is the head loss, which will include in all the numerical problems whenever you solve. The coefficient of friction F may be given by Reynolds numbers. If F is equal to 16 by Rn, so Rn is up to 2000 and F is equal to 0.079 divided by Rn, 1 to the power 1 by 4, Rn is 4000 to 10 to the power 5, and F equal to 0.008 plus 0.05525 divided by Rn to the power 0.237. This is value for Rn greater than 10 by 5. So these are the coefficient of friction which determines the flow according to the Reynolds numbers. Now let us find out the running velocity. How to find out? By some Chezy's formula. You can say you can use the Chezy's formula to find out the flow velocity in the pipe. So we have HF equals to 4FL B square upon 2GD. This is derived from the flow pipe when some resistance force is exerted, and that is you can say some resistance force is there. So that resistance force, when we summarize, we find HF is equal to 4FLB square upon 2GD. So in this way we can have B square equals to HF upon L, right? HF upon L. This will be HF upon L into, you can say, if it is going 2GD divided by your 4F, this will be something like that. So your V square is equal to 2GD into HF divided by 4F divided by L. So this HF by L is nothing, that is called the I. That is gradient, that is slope or gradient, you can say. This is HF, head loss, you can say, divided by length of the pipe. This is divided by I. This is slope or gradient of flow. So we can have V equals to root over I into 2G, this you can say 2GD upon 4F. This is 4I upon, so this can be taken as what is D by 4, we can say. So M equals to D by 4 for a circular pipe, we have already done it. So M is equal to D by 4. So you can have this root over M into I and this value we have D by 4, to root over 2G by F into, you can say, 2G by F. This 2G by F is taken as root over 2G by F is taken as C. So this will be your V equals to C into root over Mi. C is the Chezy's constant. C equals to Chezy's constant. So by using this formula, we can always find out the velocity B. In this way, we can find out the velocity B. Value of F for new pipe F equals to 0.005 1 plus 1 by 35D, you can say. For old pipe, this is taken as F equals to 0.01 1 plus 1 by 35D. So this value is very less, so it can be 0.005 and this will be 0.01 can be taken. So for old and new pipe, in Chezy's formula or something, you can take F equal to like this. So this can be taken.